An update on the better PAZ1 MK1. Now we have the gear cover in place, waiting for the instant gasket to dry. Inserted the back plate, then the camshaft, the crank gear, camshaft thrust, and then tightening this. Here is another engine, this type Mark II. It's a donor engine. There's no block, but I used the connecting rod because this was badly damaged. Now we have new began chairs, crank grounded. Also use the extension shaft and housing of this engine to fit this. Also I'm going to use this fuel tank on my PAZ1. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.